Here's Mr. Blue checking to see if he can climb that tree there. As soon as I turn the camera on, he walks the other way. I'm not sure if he doesn't like being filmed or what the story is, but I really want him to get back in the car. Blue, come on. Alright, come on. Mr. Blue. Here he is. Try to get a good picture of him. There he is. And Mr. Blue. What are you looking at? Oh, there's really nothing out there, Mr. Blue. There's nothing out there. There's nothing out there. I'm not sure. There's a good picture of Mr. Blue. Come on, we have to go. We're gonna have to go soon, bud. Alright, let's go. Come on. Okay. No, he's really going in a direction that I didn't want to go in. And I want to get home before it starts raining. What's up there? Is there anything up there? Huh? Okay. Mr. Blue. Alright, he's in the back now. He's in the back of the corporate center. This actually is one of his favorite spots. Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Somebody walking there with an umbrella because it's starting to rain. That's why we gotta get going soon. Whoa. Whoa, it's starting to rain. So we're gonna have to get home soon. Mr. Blue's going to be featured on floppycats.com as Ragdoll of the Week in October, I think the 24th. So I had to send in a document giving a little history of how we got him and some pictures and stuff. So I hope everybody likes him. But okay, I'm going to have to get him going now because it's raining. So thank you for watching.